what your days are gonna look like between now and then. And I know that you're training every part of your, you know, your laban. But what else are you gonna be doing? Like, can you share with us?
Final touches na lang, Miss D. So I'm gonna have to pack. That's the only thing left to do. I'm gonna pack. I'm gonna make sure I don't forget anything.
How many maletas?
I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet how many maletas.
Wait, sabi ni Jonas, why? Mahalang pa no? It's Philippine Airlines.
So it's more so that packing, last minute trainings, you know, touch-ups, final touch-ups of everything. Just reminders of for like Q&A points, for passerella points, and all that stuff. And we're still shooting my map cost and my evening gown. We're gonna make sure we have photos for everyone to see it. So they see the details and the hard work that went into it.
Yeah. So I'm really excited for your pasarela because I think that you prepare some kind of pasabog walk, right, Jonas? You're preparing some sort of pasabog walk, diba? Can you tell us like how different is it gonna be? How much of an impact do you plan to have on stage? Like when you come out pala, ano yung strategy na?
My plan is to have the 100% impact, Miss D.
In the impact arena.
In the impact arena. But you know, I think this question is much more suited for Ian and Mama J, who are my trainers for Pasarela.
O Ian, ano? Ito na sasabihin ko. Ito na naman natin siya. Teka, harapin mo mga camera. Maraming nag-video sa'yo. Actually, 2016 pa lang, isinilang na si Atisa ni Mama J. And nakita natin kung paano siya nag-perform sa Binibining Pilipinas stage. 2018 ko din na-meet si Atisa and we trained for Miss International. And what I appreciate about Atisa is she's naturally a performer. Hindi kailangan ng choreography. Actually, sometimes if you give her choreography, mas matigas ulo niya, mas bibigay niya yung gusto niya, yung na-feel niyang perfect for her. Sabi nga, when you have chance, you do what you want to do, right? And this year, what's different is, nagbibigay talaga si Sir Jonas Capod ng pointers kung anong dapat ang better gawin para mas ma-improve pa yung walk ni Atisa. Ngayon nga lang naglagay ako ng notes kasi may binulong si Mama. Okay, yes. Meron pa kaming abangan. Yes, meron. And of course, ayun na, go, Jonas!
Go, Mama J!
Tagabulong lang ako.
Tagabulong?
Ganon na lang ako ngayon. Since 2020. Kaya yung mga bashers, huwag ako sisingin. We already have a lot of teams, we have a lot of people who help. So you give it to the younger generation also to do that. I have so many other things in mind. Since 2020, yun na yung binibigay ko. Parang who is your trainer, tignan natin, and I'll just give pointers. And then kanina binulungan ko ng pointers si Ian. Kasi nga, tama nga, matigas ang ulo niya.
Matigas ang ulo? I was just gonna ask, is she a good student?
Good student.
Oh.
Stubborn. Very stubborn.
But hard worker.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I'm stubborn.
Yeah, sometimes, sinabi nga ni Shami, you do it on your own, diba? If you want to do your best, do it your own, gano'n. Pero minsan, iba talaga yung mata ng mga taong tumutulong. Iba yung mata ng taong alam yung pwede sa'yo. Kesa yung ikaw naniniwala, ang dami naniniwala na maganda lang sila. Sa buong room na to, ang dami naniniwala pag tingin, ganda ko. Pero ikaw yung tingin ng ibang tao. Right? So sometimes we have to listen to our trainers.
May point naman.
May point naman.
Isa ka doon. listen to the right people. What I meant kanina was that there's a lot of noise. You know, a lot of people will give you pointers, but there are certain people who are qualified to give pointers. So that's who you listen to. Ako, to be honest, when I competed also, medyo stubborn din ako. But I valued the opinions of the experts and the people that I look up to. And one of those was Mama J. When he told me, turn like this, turn like that, paulit-ulit, sa kanila ako nakikinig. Hindi na sa iba, kasi kung di mabubuluhan ako. And, you know, when I was working with Mama J, also now with Miss Universe Philippines, I realized that may mga napapansin siya na kung hindi niya pinoint out, hindi ko mapapansin. You know? And then I was like, oh, ano? Ganda-ganda nga ako nung una. Tapos sinabi na, okay, so there are certain people din talaga who have studied pageants and what works. But again, sabi ko nga, those are pointers as well. You know, you listen, you think about it, and if you feel that it's right for you, then do it. But again, I always say this, it's your journey. It's your personal journey. All of us here are just here to help you and to guide you. But still, it has to be from your heart, diba? Kasi sometimes if you're doing something and it's not really something that you want to do, it's gonna come out, diba?